Hey there, if you're serious about using AI to actually get real results, you're in the right place. On AI Scope, we take powerful ideas and turn them into something practical, simple, and genuinely useful. We test what works, cut out what doesn't, and only focus on what brings real value. No noise, no confusion, just tools that work. Let's get into it. What if one AI could answer emails, research topics, create content, organize your tasks, and even run parts of your business automatically? That's exactly what's happening right now with AI agents. Not normal AI chatbots, actual AI systems that can think, browse the internet, use tools, and complete workflows on their own. So in this video, I tested the most powerful AI agents I could find to see if they can actually replace my daily workflow. And honestly, some of the results were scary. Most people still use AI like this: write me a caption, summarize this, generate an email. But AI in 2026 is changing fast. Now we have AI agents that can do research, automate tasks, manage projects, edit content, create reports, even operate your computer. And the crazy part is, most people still have no idea how powerful these tools are. So today I'm going to show you the AI agents I tested, real workflows I automated, what worked, what failed, and which AI agent is actually worth using. Before we start testing, let's quickly understand the difference between normal AI and AI agents. A normal AI chatbot gives answers. An AI agent actually takes action. For example, instead of asking ChatGPT to write research, an AI agent can search the web, collect sources, summarize information, organize it into a document, and send it automatically. Think of it like hiring a virtual employee instead of using a search engine. And right now, this space is exploding. First, I tested an AI agent for research. I gave it this task: find trending AI topics for YouTube videos with high search potential. Normally, this would take checking X, browsing Reddit, analyzing YouTube, reading AI news, but the agent handled everything automatically. It searched multiple sources, summarized trends, and even suggested video titles. Honestly, this alone could save creators hours every week. Next, I tested AI agents for email management. This is where things started getting interesting. The AI analyzed incoming emails, categorized sponsorship requests, drafted replies, and prioritized important deals automatically for creators or businesses getting tons of emails daily. This is insanely useful, but I noticed one issue. Sometimes the replies sounded too robotic. So I still think humans should review important business emails before sending. Then I tested a full content workflow using AI agents. The system researched the topic, generated a script, created thumbnails, ideas, suggested hooks, generated social posts. This felt less like using AI and more like having a mini production team. And honestly, this is probably where AI agents will dominate first: content creation. Now, this was the craziest part. Some new AI agents can literally control your computer. I tested one by asking it to open websites, organize files, fill forms, and navigate dashboards. Watching AI move the mouse and complete tasks by itself honestly felt futuristic, but also slightly terrifying. Because once these systems become more reliable, a lot of repetitive online work could disappear. Now, despite all the hype, AI agents are not perfect yet. Here are the biggest problems I noticed. 1. Reliability. Sometimes agents make random mistakes. One wrong click or misunderstanding can break an entire workflow. 2. Speed. Some agents are still slower than humans for simple tasks, especially when they overthink actions. 3. Context understanding. AI still struggles with nuance. For example, brand tone, human relationships, or complex decisions. So no, AI agents are not replacing humans completely yet, but they are replacing repetitive digital tasks very fast. Here are some of the best AI agents I tested. OpenAI Operator, very impressive for browser tasks and automation. Manus, great for deep workflow execution and research. Claude Agents, excellent for long context thinking and writing. Browser use plus open source agents, powerful if you like customization. Automation tools like N8N plus AI integrations for business workflows. Each one has strengths depending on what you want: content creation, research automation, business systems, coding. After testing all these AI agents, I genuinely think we're entering a new phase of AI. The first wave was AI generating text. The second wave is AI taking actions. And that changes everything. The people who learn these tools early will have a massive advantage over everyone else. So if you want I can make a full part 2 where I build a complete automated business workflow using only AI agents. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe and comment which AI tool I should test next, and I'll see you in the next one.